Working with flight simulator scenery add-ons and found a CSI file. This is an installer script for custom airport and landscape scenery. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these custom scenery installer scripts for your flight simulation setup. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. CSI files are installer script files used for custom scenery packages in flight simulation platforms. They contain installation instructions, file placement rules, path configurations, and scenery library entries that automate the deployment of custom airport landscape and terrain scenery add-ons into flight simulator environments. CSI scenery installer scripts use a text-based format, storing file copy operations, directory creation commands, scenery library ini entries, and configuration file modifications. The format specifies source and destination paths for texture terrain, mesh, and object files that compose the complete scenery package. Your first application to test with CSI should be Custom Scenery Installer for MSFS from FS Developer Community. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows cannot check whether edits are valid, so errors in these files can cause malfunctions. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the CSI file and hit Open with Test Custom Scenery Installer for MSFS if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If the CSI file won't open, don't panic. Your system failed to open the CSI file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, running the installer. Execute the CSI script through the Custom Scenery Installer application designed for your flight simulator. The installer reads the script and automatically copies scenery files to the correct simulator, directories, updates the scenery library configuration, and registers the new scenery area for display during flight sessions. Next, manual installation. Open the CSI file in a text editor to read the installation instructions and file placement paths. Manually copy the scenery files to the directories specified in the script. Update your flight simulator's scenery, CFG or scenery, packs, ini file to include the new scenery library entry as described in the CSI installation instructions. Finally, verifying scenery installation. Launch your flight simulator and navigate to the scenery area covered by the custom add-on. Verify that airport's terrain textures and 3D objects display correctly. If scenery is missing, check that all files were placed in the correct directories and that the scenery library configuration references the proper paths. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.